Take the washed chicken in a bowl. Make cuts on the chicken as shown. Make cuts on back side too. Now for marination, add half lemon juice, salt, red chilli powder and schezwan sauce. Apply well on both sides. Keep it aside for 10 minutes. Take a bowl, add 4 tablespoons of curd, add ginger garlic paste, red chilli powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, salt as per taste, and a pinch of chaat masala. Mix well. Add lemon juice. Mix well to make a paste. Add finely chopped coriander and mix. Add the marination to the chicken. Apply marination to the chicken on both sides. Apply in the cuts. Wrap the bowl with food wrap. Keep it in the refrigerator for at least 3 to 4 hours for marination. Salad filling. Add salt to the diced onion and capsicum, pepper powder and half tablespoon of olive oil, few drops of lemon juice. Mix well. Add the remaining marination paste and mix well. Place the chicken on the grill stand of the oven and start filling the salad in the chicken. Tie the legs of the chicken as shown. Apply the oil with the help of the brush. Select the Combi 1 mode in the microwave. Keep the temperature high and set the time to 30 minutes. Place the chicken inside the microwave. Turn once during cooking. Take out the chicken and place it on serving plate. Your juicy and tasty grilled chicken is now ready.